Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your country on your Amazon shipping. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your account. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. So it's going to show for you like this, and you just click here on settings. Then it's going to show for you window like this, and you click here on country language. You will click and it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just come here to country, will click, and here you can add your country here or your Amazon shipping here. So there is a lot of country you can add. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish now you are get it. That's all. So there is countries can you add. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.